Splines are functions defined piecewise by polynomials, and they have several uses in computer graphics, from rendering texts to animations. But today, I'll show you a few of my applications of splines in game development. The first of them is mesh generation, and here I use splines to generate the meshes for rivers or paths. Creating this sort of meshes using regular modeling techniques will be time-consuming. A unique problem arises when trying to animate character interaction with objects. In order to ensure a smooth animation, you have to correctly position and align the character. Let's have a replay from the developer's viewpoint. I use the spline to guide the character to the desired position and direction. Now the character can transition smoothly to the animation. Also use splines in some shaders. For example, this shader is an effect you see in aviator games. Splines can be combined with signed distance functions or used directly to achieve special visual effects. What do you use splines for in games? I'd like to know in the comments.